Hey guys, it's been a long time since I've done one of these videos, but today we're playing Chicken Gun, and I'm gonna be showing you my inventory. But first, I wanna check. Okay, what I was about to say was there a new update? I think so. There's a new update. Okay. Oh wait, they added suits too. That's cool. And yeah, I got my Dojo Nina Assassini. New hats. Okay, there's a new hats. Wait, I have a feeling it's a new update. When did they add these two? Oh yeah, actually I remember now. But there's more suits apparently. I think that's the max. I'm pretty sure once this should have, they could have kept going with these. What the? Okay, that's actually creepy. And then we got this chicken gun. Oh, I don't like it. Oh my gosh. What is this? Okay, no thank you. Oh, we got dragon. I want this dragon skin. It's real cool, so I'll get it soon. Oh wait, is there finally a new mob after like 2 years? Oh my. Chicken gun, can you add a new mob after like 167 years? I'm not joking, but it's been like 1 year and a half and they haven't added a new mob ever since, so which is insane. Oh! Okay, and I see how those backpacks work. But the tails, I don't think there's no. Oh wait. Wait, there is a new tail. Cool. Wait, I just saw a new one. Oh no, never mind. Is there any new beaks yet? Ooh, new beaks. Nice. Oh my god. Glasses. Let me check before for any new ones. Oh, what the? Isn't that free somewhere here? Look, it's just these ones. But darker. No, I mean lighter. Oh, wait. Let's just go to ours. Straight up nothing, glasses. Oh, can I look at the new update or not? And oh, okay, I can't. Okay, that's a bit weird. But anyways, oh, we got new glasses. Nice. I want to check this. Oh yeah, I did. Shoes? Any new shoes? Okay, good. Finally, it's not showing your toes. Yeah, because this one just shows your toes. Number 22, if you see it. If you don't, I don't. Is it just? I think you might need to go to the eye doctor. Because can you not see these numbers? Look, it's like on top of these. See, like I'm pressing number 71. Like, see the numbers under these hair costumes. That's what it's meant to be. Damn, that's literally so giant. That's literally giant hats. Oh yeah, we already checked this. Oh, they have a moose. Nice. Is there any new cars? They're most likely to be new cars. They always they always add new cars. So of course there is. But I don't remember this actually being here. Or this one. This one was here like last update. Oh yeah, this one was here before. Wait. I don't remember this one being here. Anyways, yeah, I guess that's all for the new update. Now let's check the new stuff. No! Why did I just saw an ad where there's a woman and a man fighting over a donut. They're fighting for a little donut. It's insane. Oh, Proto OA. Oh my god, this is really cool. Yo, W! 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 Yeah, look, these are all the weapons. Imagine seeing all these weapons. Dude, this is so much. Well, let's check what's new in here. Okay, so I don't really see any new items. Oh wait, this tank's new. Whatever this is. Flag. Flip. There's nothing really new here. Oh, they added this thing new. Wait. Dude, they added dynamites. Oh wait, oh shoot. Oh my gosh. What does this do? What even happened? What the frick? What's even happening? I'm gonna shoot. I guess I shoot the wall. Ow! Ah! I died. The heck? Oh, look at this. This isn't cool. Anyways, let's just look at this one. Oh, it's another one. Oh, it goes. Where'd it even go? Oh my gosh, it's so far. That's so far. Anyways, let's check out what else is new. No. Oh, there could be new foods. Ah! The last thing that was new was this fish over here. Wait, did I add a new thing? Oh. Okay, I just... Ooh, nice! Okay, guys, I just took off my earbuds, by the way, and look at... Ah! How do I kill myself? Okay, so, let's see. Where is this? Wait, where'd it go? I think I'm stuck. Wait, let's just wait. One second. Okay, now let me get out this girl's bicycle, which somehow is fast. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's cool. It's like building a territory. Like building something. And yeah. So that's no wait. That's not all. We need to check more stuff. No. Oh, new bush. Wait, that's a cactus, I think. Whatever. Oh, there's these 3 new things. So 71 through 75 is new. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think that's all. Oh wait, this is new. Yay. Oh wait, I didn't realize I'm getting attacked. Ah! Oh my gosh. Not again. Okay, guys, we're in the... Okay. We're stuck in this. We're stuck in here. Let's just check out the new things while we can. And just in case someone comes, I got a machine gun out. So if you want to come, it's a free ticket to dying. It's actually not really. Ooh, 28 through 32 is new. Oh, wait. Yeah! They added a furry. Hold on, wait. 18 and 19 are new, but 21 all the way to 33 is new. Yeah. Not gonna lie, I wanna check these out. Ooh. This is cool. Oh nah, they got furries. And then we got this. Okay, let's hope this furry doesn't come for me. Okay. Don't come for me. Oh, the furry falls. Whatever. Cause I'm gonna just try this. Okay, now y'all are on the ground except for this guy. Oh my gosh, I can't move. Up, and he's on the ground. Oh wait, we already had this guy, so get murdered. And we got this guy. I don't like you, so bye. We got this guy, which is gonna fall, which I make sure will fall on the ground. Dude, fall on the ground! Yeah, all of them must fall. Oh, crazy chicken dude. That's what you get for being crazy. And then these things. Cool. Oh my. Ah! What even happened? Oh. Krabby. And then this. I think that's all new. Oh wait, we forgot to place one of these guys. This and no, not you. Okay, now I think we should get out of here before someone comes for us. Oh my gosh. Hold up, this might be a bit scary. Ah! Okay, this is totally, I think it's gonna be even more scary when we go on this again, because someone's gonna chase. Whee! Oh shoot. Ah! Ah! I'm tired, This map is amazing. There's nothing to argue about except we're arguing if there's something wrong. This is... Wait, what? Oh, cool. Oh. Okay, bye. Let's spawn the building. Oh shoot, what the heck is going on? Oh. Oh my territories. Oh my god. Oh, it's the prototype! Die! I need to kill his legs. Ah! Oh, okay, we're cooked, by the way. That's the end of... Okay, not the end, but, no, nothing. There's... Okay. Whatever. Yeah, this is my dojo ninja kit. Okay. You know what, that's just it, because, yeah, I don't have any more space for recording, because if it's 50 minutes or more... Yeah, that's basically the maximum space because I'm going to have to verify. Which I actually am not ready for yet. So yeah, anyways, bye.